I'm Tammy Pilcher from the 78th Dental Clinic, and our submission for this year's Air Force Smart Tank competition is utilizing dental impression material for aircraft maintenance. Reprosil at Air Force clinics is used for final impressions for crown and bridges, but it cannot be used past its expiration. However, in collaboration with the Robbins Air Logistics Complex, we have found a way to repurpose the expired material for depot maintenance. Reprosil is easily injected in aircraft structures to fill cracks and holes that the non-destructive inspection or NDI process tries to find. The NDI process has limitations and can be expensive, taking days. With Reprosil, even after 4 to 7 minutes, the material can be pulled to give a 3D model of any structural compromise. Our solution for repurposing Reprosil for aircraft maintenance can save the Air Force up to $10,000 to $15,000 per component, 2 work days per week, and $2 to $3 million annually, like it has already done for us here at Robbins Air Force Base. We are simply asking for $75,000 to purchase additional equipment to further perfect this process and potentially expand the solution in other applications in Air Force maintenance. Additionally, we are requesting senior leadership to support, to advocate, and institute policy and/or programs to formally integrate this solution for the Air Force, DoD, or even commercially worldwide.